Hello, we're representing San Diego State University as Team Red Rebel SDSU. I'm Justin Lee.
I'm Nicholas Palmer.
I'm Justin Tang.
I'm Jana Gonzalez.
And I'm Travis Tran.
And we're going to be taking on problem statement 1. And first we're going to go over some of the initial solutions that we brainstormed.
One solution we brainstormed was decentralized medical records that eliminate the single point of failure in patient records.
A second solution we developed was blockchain-based news that can offer a computational seal of approval for the public to easily identify information from credible sources.
Next up, we have a machine learning firewall to monitor network traffic for anomalous behavior.
And finally, we have a fleet of drones with traffic lights attached to manage traffic.
In order for our team to develop the most effective solution, our team is focused on a subset of the cascading events. We're focusing on 2 things. 1, loss of patient data at the hospitals, and 2, failure of the traffic systems in the area. Our team is working hard to develop a solution to nullify the attacks on the patient information data and rapidly recover the traffic systems in the area. We are basing our solutions and the effectiveness on our hometown of San Diego.
First, we propose a system comparable to Apple Pay, in which users can opt in to have their medical information stored directly on their device. In the event that a hospital's patient information system becomes unavailable, users can directly present their information to a medical professional directly from their device. A key concern here is privacy and HIPAA violations. However, as we see in banking, such as with Apple Pay, we believe this is implementable in a secure and cost-effective way due to these previous solutions. We developed a prototype of our system. As you can see here, a user is able to transfer their medical records to a medical professional safely and securely.
Our system would be highly effective at mitigating or even completely nullifying the issue for users who opt into our system. Without a central database for attackers to target, there's no feasible attack vector to compromise patient data.
Now on to our most bold solution, the traffic light drone. Essentially, we will attach LEDs to a fleet of drones, which we will deploy over an impacted area. In these areas, these drones will act as a substitute for shut down traffic lights. In order to implement this, we would have to have the drone latch onto the traffic light, or it would land on pre-installed platforms. Here is an example video demonstration of what that would look like.
We found that lead tech company Siemens has introduced an energy-efficient traffic signal that is capable of running on 1 watt and is being implemented today within 2 towns of Italy and Germany. In our system, we'll use similar technology where we will maximize runtime in a battery-constrained environment of a drone. We have chosen the DJI Mavic 3 Pro as it is cost-effective with good payload capacity and battery life.
We ran the numbers to try to find the maximum deployable range for the drones while still maintaining a battery life of 24 hours. After running the calculations, we found that the range is actually 12.7 kilometers, which is a very large area, especially for a large populated, dense metropolitan area.
A realistic solution may not actually require us to restore functionality to every single traffic intersection. Instead, we'd focus on major choke points and connecting important areas like hospitals, highways, police stations, fire departments, and things like that. If you look at this image here, we have an example from downtown San Diego of how we might implement this system. And we found that it would only need around 150 drones to restore functionality to these critical areas. And that would be about $500,000 worth of hardware. And actually, if you wanted to restore functionality to every single traffic intersection in San Diego, it would only be around $20 million.
We believe this solution is technologically feasible because the flight paths can be pre-programmed and tested in a safe environment. And along with this, we've already seen technology like this be used in things like Amazon package delivery and also coordinated UAV light shows. So the technology is definitely there.
Thank you. That concludes Red Rebel SDSU Solutions. We hope you enjoyed, and we're ready for any questions you may have.